today. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for my channel. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so in the last Bloxburg roleplay that I made, which was the Productive Girls Night Routine, I mentioned that I wanted a dishwasher. And so I actually bought a dishwasher so that way we could wash our dishes a bit quicker. So yeah, and I really think it was a great addition to my roleplay house. So yeah. And by the way, more roleplays with my friends will be coming. So yeah. But anyway, let's get started. Okay, so currently it is about 9. Well, no, it's kind of early in the morning. That's why it is still sort of dark outside. So yeah, it's about like 6 a.m. and yeah. And I decided that I would like to do a bit of summer cleaning before summer starts, because I don't want my house to be messy before summer starts. Like, that's just, no. So I just ate breakfast and had a nice shower, so I think I'm all ready to go. So yeah, let's go upstairs. And let's just grab my broom and my cleaning stuff for the floor. And we're just gonna sweep the floor, you know, start out simple, nothing crazy, and yeah. Also, my house has been really dusty lately, so yeah, and I haven't really cleaned it, and you know, because I've just been really super busy, so I haven't really got any time to do that in Bloxburg, you know? So yeah. Now we're gonna go into the little kids' bedroom and we're just gonna sweep up the floor, and the bed isn't made because my friend was here actually and she spent the night and I think she forgot to make the bed. So I think we should probably do that later, so that way it looks way better. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go sweep up the kitchen just to make it all nice and clean. Okay, I think my house is all swept up for now, so let me just go upstairs and put my broom away. Okay, let me put it there. Okay, so now I think I should go like do some laundry, take care of all the dirty clothes that I have literally piled up in my laundry basket downstairs in the laundry area. So let's just go downstairs and wash that. So yeah. Okay, so I'm here in the laundry area and also where my power box is. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of laundry right here. So I'm just gonna pick that up, and in the next 15 or so minutes, that will not be there because it will all be nice and clean and probably in one of my dresser drawers. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to wash, you know, give it a minute. So yeah. Okay, it looks like that it is all nice and washed, and oh my gosh, my new laundry detergent is literally like so good. Like, the clothes just smell way better than my other laundry detergent, because we don't talk about that. Well, actually what happened to it was, well, I accidentally like lost it, and I lost it for a few months and it got all gross and disgusting and I forgot that it was there, so I used it and then my clothes smelled so bad in Bloxburg. So yeah. Okay, so now that they are all dry and they smell super good, I am gonna go upstairs and put them away. Okay, let me just open the door and just walk through here, and let me go up to my room. Now that I'm here, I'm going to put my clothes in my dresser drawers, and I'm just going to make them look all nice and neat, because, you know, we want to put effort into this, guys. We don't want my room to be messy and stuff like that. So it is currently about 5 a.m. and as you can see, the sun is kind of starting to rise here. And it is starting to look really pretty outside, so yeah. Oh wait, I forgot about the bed in the kids' room. I think I should probably go make that really quick, so that way I don't forget about it later and then somebody comes over to my house and is like, this bed is not made. I'm not sleeping here. We don't want that to happen, guys. So I guess it's best that we just keep it clean, and as you can see right here, it looks way better. So yeah. Now that that's done, I am going to just go downstairs, and I think I should probably do a bit more sweeping, and then I'll probably have a nice like shower or something. But wait, I did already shower. I just forgot about that for a second, so yeah. Okay, let me go upstairs and go grab my broom again, and yeah. I want to make sure that I get most of the rooms in my house all clean. It doesn't have to be all of them because I know I could probably get those later in the day. So yeah. Now let me just sweep this up and make it look all nice and pretty. Okay, as you guys can see, all the dust is gone and it's shiny in here. So yeah. And we can't forget about the bathroom. So yeah, I'm looking a little tired here. Maybe I should go grab some coffee after I sweep up this room. Okay, let me go put this away quickly. And I think I need some coffee because I'm just like really tired. Like I burnt my energy this morning. Like, yeah, maybe I should like sit right here and just hang out for a little bit. You know, my body needs a break. Like, I got up a few hours ago, but you can't go every morning without your morning coffee, guys. So, yeah. Now that that is all drank, and I think my coffee tasted pretty good personally, I think that now, since I have a very nice, lovely dishwasher, as you guys can see here, we are just going to put that there, and we're just going to let it do the magic. So, yeah. I'll be back later to check on that, and while that's doing its thing, I should probably just go wash my hands, because, you know, like, my hands have probably got a bit gross while I was, like, cleaning, or maybe some of the laundry detergent got on my hands or whatever. But, like, I'm just gonna try to stay clean here, you know, just being clean. Okay, so now that that is done, I think that everything is all shiny and clean. So I think I might go like treat myself to like some candy or something, because like I worked really hard, I feel like. So yeah, what should I take? I think I should take Choco's chocolate candy, and it's for $1, so I think it's a good deal. So let me just eat that up real quick and just enjoy it and feel like a good person. So yeah. Okay, let's check on the dishes. Oh wait, I have to turn it on. Oh, I forgot. Well guys, I think that might be it for this video, and I really hope you did enjoy, because I certainly did enjoy filming it for you guys. And if you would like to see more content on my channel, please click the subscribe button, like, and click the notification bell, and if you would like, drop a comment if you want to. Anyway, I gotta tune out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!